Olympic sprint double champion Elaine Thompson-Herah and fellow Olympic champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce turned in impressive season's best performances at the Eugene Diamond League meet in the United States. The two were the only Jamaican winners in Oregon on Saturday.
The last time Elaine Thompson-Herah touched the track at the Prefontaine Classic just under a year ago, she became the fastest woman alive, running 10.54 seconds. And in a return to the venue where this summer's World Championships will be held, the 29-year-old sent a stern warning to her rivals, speeding to a season's best 10.79 seconds.
Ashley Smith gets out of the blocks really good, right in the middle there, and Thompson-Herah, though, are running and is now starting to come away, and this could be a good win, a big win. Watch the clock, 10.79. Well, real daylight between the Olympic champion and the rest.
American Sha'Carri Richardson was second in a season's best 10.92 seconds, the same time as Olympic 100-meter bronze medalist Shericka Jackson, which was also a season's best for her. The third Jamaican in the race, Brianna Williams, was ninth in 11.20 seconds. Reigning world 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce also continued her winning form, taking the 200 meters in a season's best 22.41 seconds.
Bend as well, and Prandini and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce got it between them in lane 2, clocks right up there. But it's Prandini and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce just goes away here. Shows her class, shows her speed, finishes very strongly indeed. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce ahead of Brittany Brown, might have just got second place.
American Brittany Clark 22.74 and Bahamian Antonique Strawn 22.76 were second and third. Earlier, 2015 world champion Danielle Williams finished fifth in the 100-meter hurdles in 12.71 seconds in a race which was won by Puerto Rican Olympic champion Jasmine Camacho Quinn in 12.45 seconds. Over in the men's 400-meter hurdles, Jamaica's Jaheel Hyde finished 7th in 50.38 and Kemar Moat 8th in 50.81, behind winner and Olympic bronze medalist Brazilian Alison dos Santos, who clocked a world-leading 47.23 seconds. And despite a season's best 1 minute 59.39 seconds, Jamaican Olympic finalist Natoya Gould had to settle for fourth in the 800 meters as Great Britain's Keely Hodgkinson won in a world-leading 1 minute 57.32. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.